choose the best representative shot of what you're trying to show. If you have, like here we have some flowers, if there is a pan, um, if you're panning left to right and right to left, you don't need both. If you're panning, horizontal and then you're panning vertical, choose one of them. Choose the best representative shot. Um, if you have a wide shot, then you have a close up. Okay, but it doesn't need any more than that. If you have, three or four close ups, choose the best one and use that. Don't um, try to just put every good shot in because you have tons of good footage, and so you just think you're going to put everything in. No, in fact, it would be better, if you have four shots and they're all good. Choose one of them. It'd be better to have that up there a little bit longer than to just be jumping to four shots that are basically the same. Um, so definitely try to pick the best shot you can for the thing you're trying to show.